Hi friends! It's me, Alisha. Today we're visiting a big, happy farm. Let's meet all the animals and learn the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's a cow. It's black and white with big, soft eyes and a long tail. Cows give us yummy milk and love to chew grass. Listen. What sound do they make? Look at the sheep. They're fluffy and white like clouds. Sheep give us wool to keep warm in winter. Can you copy their sound? They go, ah. Now we're near the pond. Look, the colorful fish are swimming fast. Fish have fins and live in water. When they jump, splash. Hear that splashy sound? Wow, here's a strong horse. It's brown and shiny and loves to run across the field. Horses help farmers carry loads. Listen to the sound. Neigh and gallop, gallop. Here are some chickens and a proud rooster. Chickens peck the ground and lay eggs. The rooster wakes everyone up in the morning. Hear him? Oh, look, ducks. They're yellow and green, swimming with their baby ducklings in the pond. Ducks love splashing and saying quack, quack. Here's a playful goat. It's white and brown and loves to climb and eat green leaves. Listen closely, Mama. The goat sounds funny, doesn't it?
Great job, friends! Today we met cows, sheep, fish, horses, chickens, ducks, and goats. You learned how they look, what they do, and the sounds they make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for more fun learning adventures. Bye!